Something is happening right in front of you, and you can't see it. The world isn't slowing down. It isn't breaking. It's disappearing. Not physically, but structurally. And if you don't see it, you won't understand what's coming next. For most of history, you could see how the world worked. Factories had workers. Stores had employees. Decisions had decision makers. There was a visible chain. Work to output to value to money. You could follow it. You could understand it. You could find your place in it. That world didn't collapse. It didn't explode. It faded. Quietly. Factories didn't shut down. They went dark. Work didn't disappear. It moved into systems. Decisions didn't stop. They became automated, and most of it you never see. The most important parts of the system now are invisible. You don't see the AI filtering decisions, the automation replacing entire workflows, the systems optimizing everything behind the scenes. From the outside, everything still looks the same. But underneath, the structure has completely changed. In past revolutions, you could see the machines. You could see the shift. Now, the shift is hidden. You walk into a business. It looks normal. But fewer people are doing more work. Entire departments have been replaced by software. You apply for a job. You think a person is reviewing it. But before that, a system already decided. You order something online. It feels simple. But behind it, AI routing, automated fulfillment, predictive systems making decisions in real time. The system didn't go away. It disappeared from view. And this creates a problem most people don't see, because we make decisions based on what we can see. So when the system becomes invisible, you start believing things that aren't true. You think, there are still jobs like before. The path still works. I just need to try harder. But the ground has already shifted. And if you don't see the shift, you're solving for a world that no longer exists. This isn't about fear. It's about awareness. Because the people who adapt learn to see what others can't. They stop focusing on jobs and start understanding systems. They stop thinking in effort and start thinking in leverage. They stop asking, where do I fit? And start asking, what's actually running underneath all of this? In the last video, we talked about how building is becoming common. More people can create. More people can build. But if everyone can build, and the system itself is becoming invisible, then the real advantage shifts, not to the builders, but to the ones who understand the system. Because this isn't just a change in work, it's a change in how the world operates. The surface still looks familiar, but underneath, everything is different. And the people who can see clearly will move differently, while everyone else is reacting to a version of the world that's already gone. If you want to understand what's actually happening, subscribe to Future Systems. Because next, we're going underneath the surface, into the system itself, how it works, who controls it, and how decisions are really being made. And then, we zoom out even further. Because this isn't just a hidden system. It's the beginning of a new industrial era, one that's already started. And once you see that, you won't look at the world the same way again.